affidavits. What is an affidavit? Well, great question. An affidavit is a document where you are either swearing, or if you don't believe in a religious entity, you're affirming that the contents of that affidavit are true, that the information contained in it is accurate. Why is that important? That information is going to be relied upon usually by a third party, either for financing or for education or getting something transferred or any number of things. There's a large variation. Transferring property as part of wills and estates planning, lots of different things. The affidavit is going to have someone swear or affirm that it's true, and that's going to be relied on elsewhere. Now, there are very, very severe consequences that can come up if you swear a false affidavit. For instance, under the Dower Act, if you swear a false affidavit about your dower interest in the property, you could be on the hook for half the value of a property. That could be hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. So you have to be very careful to make sure that the affidavit is accurate. If someone presents an affidavit to you that you have to swear or affirm, make sure you read it all word for word. If there are any discrepancies between what's in the affidavit and the truth of the matter, you need to point it out to the person to make sure it's corrected. For instance, sometimes we get an affidavit of name change, where a bank or financial institution wants someone to say, you as Joe Smith is the same person as Joseph Smith and Joseph E. Smith and Joseph Edward Smith and any combination. But if they have it where Smith is spelled with no E all the time, and then they want you to say that you are the same person as Joseph Smith with an E at the end, you can't swear that because you were never that person. So you have to be very, very cautious. What other types of affidavits do we see? Often we'll see an affidavit of execution where one person swears that they saw somebody else sign a document. Those are important for land titles and wills and any number of things. Also, we see affidavits of name changes, of financial disclosure documents, whether someone is a surviving joint tenant of property that was co-owned and someone passed away, service, swearing that you served someone with documents. You see that on TV where they said, you've been served, and then they have to go and swear an affidavit that they in fact served you. These documents are used as evidence, as proof of the truth. And so it's really important to make sure you take it seriously, because whether you swear or affirm the matter, it's you being held accountable if the information is not accurate.